So we are live. I'll just wait for a few more seconds, then we'll start.
Okay.
So we are live. I'll just wait for a few more seconds, then we'll start. Hi, good evening, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Women Shine Show. So today we have again one inspiring lady, which is from our neighborhood only, not very far from Nepal, and she's none other than Sharada Rijal. She's a wonderful women entrepreneur, and she has more than 30 years of experience. So we'll hear more about her, how she started her business, what are the challenges she faced. So before that, I would like to tell you that we have already published her story in the Women Shine magazine. So in this month only, July month, we have already published on 30th of July her story. So please visit website. It is www.womenshine.in and go to Shine Global segment wherein her story is there. So you'll read more about her from the magazine. So over to Sharada. Like I think you're I'm really inspired when I saw your journey. I was really inspired. So you're a proud owner of Milan Garments, right? So I would like you
Yeah.
to tell viewers about it, like how it started, what motivated you to start Milan Garments.
Okay. Namaste and warm good evening to everyone who is listening to me. I am Sarda Rizal, Adhikari, women entrepreneur from Nepal, as Arpana said. Firstly, I would like to thank Women Sign Global Magazine for publishing my journey uh, in this. A special thanks to MS Aparna Mishra for this innovative idea in this COVID-19 situation too, because
Thank you.
this situation is very hard for everyone, and we can see and we can read and listen this magazine globally. So thank you so much. I am very pleased and honored for the great opportunity for having me here. Thank you so much once again. I came from very ordinary family where my father was a normal office worker, whereas my mother was a housewife. I have two children, one son and one daughter, and a very supportive husband who has been my pillars in my steps. I have been in this field since 30 years back. I started my journey as a teacher at the age of 21. I worked as a teacher for 10 years, and later on, I thought of starting my one independent business. And at the moment, I was supported with the helping hands of my husband. Without his constant support, I could not have reached here where I am today. I started my business in 1989 with $100 where I earned from my teaching job. So, and from the amount, I first bought one stitching machine and one overlock. And another one was gift from my mother while I got married. So I had altogether three machines and only one room when I opened my business. My first business was Milan Garment. I started in 1989, started with baby garments for local markets. For 3 years, I faced many challenges of marketing due to political instability. Market was not sure. In between, I joined hands with big companies for fabrication. During that time, I had two male partners and we had 105 machines running. This partnership could not go for a long time, and I was separated with 35 machines. At that time, I was still in teaching, and I decided to resign teaching job and completely focus on my garment business. Here, I want to add my father for not allowing me uh, when I wanted to start my business, when I was completing diploma. At that time, I asked my father to. I wanted to start my business, but he said no. Before marriage, you cannot start. So this is our patriarchal society.
Yeah.
Yeah. In 1992, my export business is started. To enter in export business was not easy at that time, but I was so lucky that my younger brother was in jewelry business and he introduced me to Swiss buyer. The most transformational journey for me is meeting my Swiss buyer who introduced me to international platform as well as supported me by giving continued order back then, and also because of them Canadian magazine gave me the name of hat lady because
Hmm.
I was making lots of variety of hats for Switzerland and other European countries.
Lovely, lovely.
At that time in 1998 World Cup, one more buyer from Japan with whom I have been still working in is Nepali Bazaro. I have been getting continuous order from them, and also they have called me and my staffs to Japan to upgrade my skills and my staff's skill in the field of felt making. In 2000 year, I have diversified my products to felt handicrafts and
Okay.
established one more company. The company name is United Nepal Felt Industries Private Limited. This company is a member of Fairtrade Group Nepal. Now I am exporting to Germany, Switzerland, UK, USA, Australia, Japan, and Korea. My eureka moment. Oh, this is very much exciting. My first eureka moment was when I achieved the Best Woman Entrepreneur Award in 2003 by the Boss Top 10 Business Magazine. It was first time happened in Nepal and I got it. So,
तो मैम
so
इसमें
it
आई
was,
लाइक टू
yeah.
इंटरवेन बिटवीन स्टॉप यू इन बिटवीन ये जो आपका
Okay.
यूरेका मोमेंट हुआ था इसमें
Huh?
इस यूरेका मोमेंट ये हुआ कैसे मतलब ठीक है यू गॉट अ बायर दैट्स वेरी नाइस बट हाउ डिड इट
Yeah.
हैपन हुआ कैसे ये मतलब आपको कहाँ से बायर मिला कैसे आपने पूरा उसके लिए काम किया वो सब बताइए
अच्छा बायर तो मुझे मेरा भाई ने इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया वो स्विस बट इजरायली बायर था और स्विस में काम कर रहा था स्विट्जरलैंड में और वो काठमांडू में आके हैट का डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ हैट का हैट लेकर जाता था और ऑर्डर देता था वो और वो जो जिस फैक्ट्री से वो काम कर रहा था उतना सेटिस्फाई नहीं था और उसने बोला
ओके
मेरा भाई को कि तुम फैक्ट्री लगा लो तो मेरा भाई
अच्छा
बोला कि नहीं मैं तो इस लाइन में नहीं हूँ मेरा दीदी तो गारमेंट चला रही है चलो मैं उसके यहाँ ले जाते हैं इस तरह से मुझे इजीली एकदम इजीली स्विस बायर मिल
लवली
गया
लवली
या एंड देन एट दैट टाइम इतना इजी नहीं था
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
एक्सपोर्ट बायर मिल जाना क्योंकि ना ईमेल था जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया उस टाइम में तो फैक्स चलता था ईमेल भी नहीं था ऑनलाइन का तो बात ही नहीं था ट्रेड शो का कोई बात नहीं था
ये
खाली
किस ईयर
माउथ
की
टू
बात है
माउथ
किस ईयर
ये
की बात है ये
1989 में मैंने स्टार्ट किया
नहीं नहीं ये
और
एक्सपोर्ट वाला
एक्सपोर्ट वाला 1992 आफ्टर 3 years
1992
yeah
या
1992
ओके
and then this person was very happy with my production and quality then
ओके
uh, he began to say for other country so this is the lady who make very special hats so please go
ओके
to this factory So this is how,
Superb.
yeah, this is how I am connected with export market. And in 2003, जब यहाँ पहली बार द बॉस मैगजीन का इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ उस समय, और वो उन लोगों ने बहुत से लोगों के फैक्ट्री में जाके इंटरव्यू लिया और देखा कि कैसे कैसे काम हो रहा है। और उस टाइम में बहुत सा मेल एंटरप्रेन्योर को भी अवार्ड मिला था, मुझे वुमन की तरफ से। उस टाइम में बहुत
अच्छा।
मेरे से अच्छा काम करने वाली सीनियर लोग भी थे, और पता नहीं मेरा क्या अच्छा लेकिन मुझे मालूम है कि उनको क्या अच्छा लगा। एक तो मैंने 1998 में वर्ल्ड कप जब हुआ था, उस टाइम में क्रेजी हैट नेपाल से बहुत एक्सपोर्ट हुआ।
ओके।
उस टाइम में मैंने भी एक्सपोर्ट किया, वन ऑफ देम, यू नो।
ओके।
But that that time for ladies to do that business was not easy. So
या
that
ऑफ कोर्स।
was, and उस तरह से मैंने जो नेपाल का एक नाम रोशन किया इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में, वो एक हो गया। और 1998 से लेकर बहुत साल तक यहाँ ट्रेड यूनियन का बहुत ये हो रहा था। ट्रेड यूनियन ही फैक्ट्री चलाता था, यू नो। एवरी इंडस्ट्री में दो तीन ट्रेड यूनियन होता था, दो तीन पार्टी का। डेफिनेटली मेरे फैक्ट्री में कोई ट्रेड यूनियन नहीं था, कोई ऐसा झंझट नहीं हुआ। और उस टाइम में बहुत सा फैक्ट्री ट्रेड यूनियन के ही वजह से बंद भी हुआ था। लेकिन
बंद हो
जब
गई।
वो लोग आया मेरे फैक्ट्री में, वो जो वातावरण उन लोगों ने देखा कि ये भी मैनेजमेंट का एक बहुत अच्छा मतलब क्वालिटी होना चाहिए एंटरप्रेन्योर में। मुझे लगता है कि 2-3 कॉजेज उन लोगों ने देखा, और मुझे वुमन एंटरप्रेन्योर बॉस फर्स्ट बॉस टॉप 10 बेस्ट वुमन एंटरप्रेन्योर in
वाओ,
first time
लवली।
in Nepal. So that was very good feeling moment.
So what all
Yeah.
countries you work with right now?
I am working with Switzerland since 1992, and Germany and UK and Australia, Japan, Korea, and USA.
Oh, so many countries you're working with.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
And what all
Yeah.
things you export?
Nowadays, I am exporting handicraft only, not in
Okay.
garments.
Okay.
Handicraft. Yeah.
So in handicrafts, what exactly?
In handicrafts, knitted woolen caps. I have
Okay.
specialized in hats and caps more, you
All
know.
right.
But I make shoes and bags and other accessories for
Okay.
Christmas item,
Right.
everything. But I am known as hat lady because I have specialized in hat business.
Lovely,
So
lovely. So आपने कुछ countries का नाम लिया. I couldn't find India in that. So why so? Why is India
yeah.
is not there in the list?
Okay, we wanted, okay, for this I will come to, okay. Uh, I have planned to work in India through SAC Chamber Craft Village, like I
Yeah.
mentioned you just before. SAC shop was established in 2006 with the help
Okay.
of 6 women entrepreneurs, and now we have 3 supporting organizations as well. One is
Mm-hmm.
Federation of Women Entrepreneurs Association of Nepal, where I am immediate past president, and Fair
Mm-hmm.
Trade Group of Nepal and Sabha Nepal. The main
Okay.
motive to open this shop was to promote SAARC countries' women entrepreneurs products and for business network. At the beginning, we imported products from SAARC region countries as well as from Afghanistan. The first shop was opened in Nepal, and our plan was to continue to open this shop in all SAARC region country to promote women entrepreneurs products. This helps to recognize products as well as helps to identify women entrepreneurs products in SAARC platform. We
Mm-hmm.
couldn't do what we wanted to do, as it was challenging part was our government rule was not very friendly to import
Okay.
and export to our products in SAC region, whereas EU and US is not so difficult because we are exporting to those countries. At the moment, we are promoting Nepali women entrepreneurs products through this platform. As a promoter, I want to be reconnect all the SAC members with our SAC shop, as it has lots of connection, which I want to rebuild it again, creating better opportunity for entrepreneurs to showcase their country's products. Maybe through this women's sign, who knows?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, of course, I would like to tell you here, like, I
Uh,
think because I work with the women community, right? So I think
yeah,
post COVID, maybe next year, after like maybe
yeah,
January or February, we can plan something. We can
yeah, yeah,
introduce you in India, and then also I can plan some like women delegation, women entrepreneurs delegation to Nepal also. So we can
Nepal,
work
yes,
on those lines as
yeah,
well. Yeah, because I know
okay,
In Nepal there are so many women who are doing so many things. So we can
yeah,
have a trade exchange programs as well with
yeah,
Nepal.
great.
Yeah. So coming to the current pandemic situation which is happening, every industry is really getting affected with it, and it's been
Yes,
so many months now since March. So आपके business पे how is it affecting? कितना क्या effect तो आया ही होगा, हर जगह आया है.
yes,
So how you are tackling that effect? किस तरह से आप, क्योंकि आपके workers हैं काफी, फैक्ट्री में
yeah,
workers होंगे, so कैसे आप
yeah.
उसको tackle कर रहे हो?
अ, अब ये कोविड-19 का सिचुएशन तो ग्लोबली है, सबको इफ़ेक्ट कर रहा है। जैसे एक छोटा-सा दुकान से लेकर
हम्म,
5 स्टार होटल और
बिल्कुल
टूरिज़्म
बिल्कुल.
इंडस्ट्री तो एकदम ज़ीरो में गया है। और
हम्म,
मेरा बिज़नेस 98% एक्सपोर्ट है, 2% ओनली फ्यू रिजेक्टेड पीपल और फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स आई कैन सेल इन द मार्केट।
okay, okay.
सो एक्सपोर्ट मार्केट के लिए तो बहुत ही नुकसान है, क्योंकि
हम्म,
जो ऑर्डर हमारे पास आया था 5-6 मंथ एगो बिफोर कोविड-19, वही
हम्म,
ऑर्डर हम लोग कर रहे हैं। 2 महीने से तो एकदम 2 महीना तो एकदम बिल्कुल बंद ही हो गया, और उसके
हम्म,
बाद खुला तो भी उतना स्पीड में नहीं चला फैक्ट्री, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम था, व्हीकल प्रॉब्लम और दिस
हम्म,
कोविड-19 का सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग
yeah, yeah.
criteria. For small and medium industries, it is very hard to manage all these things. एंड सो अब मेरे फैक्ट्री का बात करें तो अब उतना बिग फैक्ट्री भी नहीं है हमारा, तो घर घर में भी काम लेके जाते हैं हैंड वर्क करने के लिए, है ना? तो
Mm-hmm.
अब मैं इतना लकी हुई कि बायर ने ऑर्डर कैंसिल नहीं किया, लेकिन
That's good.
रीऑर्डर भी
Yeah.
नहीं किया, रीऑर्डर भी नहीं किया। तो वो
Okay.
ऑर्डर कितना दिन तक होगा?
हाँ हाँ.
अब
Right.
अब ऑर्डर सब रेडी है और प्लेन नहीं खुला है, तो एक्सपोर्ट भी नहीं हो रहा है। बहुत ज़्यादा
Mm-hmm.
मुश्किल है, बहुत ज़्यादा
Mm-hmm.
मुश्किल है।
Okay. Okay. So I think because of this also काफी, and then you are socially very active also in various activities you keep doing in Nepal. Like आप काफी women empowerment और female child education में भी काफी active हैं आप. So what are you doing in this apart from your, because you are busy with Milan Garments, and then उसके साथ भी आप time निकाल के you are busy in these things also. So please share few things about that as well.
Okay, just a moment.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's
Uh,
okay.
yeah, I am much involved in our organization, Federation of Women Entrepreneur Association of Nepal, from where we are doing all the motivational thing for women entrepreneurs by online, because we cannot go now to all the places. So that was that is very effective, because we are very much depressed by our work, depressed by financial situation, depressed by work, everything. So that thing I am doing, and another one thing is we have opened in this situation one company to support migrant women worker, because
Okay.
many women worker are coming back to Nepal from India, from other countries, from Arabian
Yeah.
countries. So what
Yeah.
we decided, that we are giving them a full package of training,
Okay.
and support them to establish their company. We are targeting 1,000 women to make entrepreneurs in 3 years.
Oh, that's
So
fantastic. Yeah.
in that, we are working a lot.
Uh-huh.
I hope we need to work for that particular project with women signed also,
Mm-hmm.
because we are thinking of importing machine from India and
Okay.
technical support from India. So we have that plan. So
Okay.
in that case, we need your help also.
Of course, any time. Now so we are in connected, so of course, any help you need, we are there.
Yeah,
Now, also tell me like about because since we both are neighbors, right? And
yeah,
Abhi, you're all you are also in Nepal. Also, you get so many women entrepreneurs and other businesses also in India as well. So, if
yeah.
somebody wants to import few things from Nepal, no, so
Hmm.
how it happens, like what are the benefits, and is the documentation too stringent or normal है, आराम से हम वहां से import कर सकते हैं या यहाँ से हम export कर सकते हैं नेपाल में, so क्या है, what is the scenario like?
हाँ, या पहले का सिनारियो कुछ अच्छा नहीं था, इसीलिए हम लोग साग शॉप्स में उतना सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सके। लेकिन
Hmm.
अभी अब गवर्नमेंट को भी लगा है कि नेबरिंग कंट्री छोड़ के दूर दूर क्यों जाना है कि नहीं।
Right, right, right.
सो उन लोगों ने भी थोड़ा स्ट्रेटेजी थोड़ा चेंज किया है, और होपफुली इट विल बी easier than before. So we want to connect in SAC region, and we want to promote our products in India and promote Indian products here too through SAC shop.
Definitely. So now
Yeah,
we'll really work on these things now.
yeah,
we'll
yeah.
take we'll take a
Okay.
discussion forward also after this कि कैसे हम इसको
Yes,
आगे, हम कैसे
yes,
नेपाल में आए, आप कैसे इंडिया में आओ, we can work on those things as well,
yes.
because
Right.
we have women who are doing so amazing work. तो अगर वो expand करेंगे तो it's really good for them, they get more revenue, no, more exposure.
Mm,
So I think
yeah.
ये तो बहुत अच्छी चीज रहेगी अगर हम इस तरह से कर सकते हैं
Yeah.
तो.
फ्रॉम इंडिया से अभी भी इंडियन सामान इतना मार्केट में है कि बहुत है, लेकिन वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर आर नॉट इन्वॉल्व,
हाँ,
मेल
right.
ब्रोकर्स आर देयर to
Correct.
import, and so this we in this we can work. Yeah,
Yeah, definitely.
to
We can plan
encourage
something.
women
Yeah,
yeah.
definitely we can do that. Now, since you are more than 30 years up is business mein ho, and you have got children, आपका बेटा and बेटी, you have got one son
Yeah.
and daughter. So what are your future plans? Like, are they also joining you? या वो आपको already काम में help कर रहे हैं? या what is your roadmap further next down 5 years?
Oh,
क्या है
in
आपके
this
plans
case,
क्या
I am
है?
not so lucky because my both children are in USA.
Okay,
Both are
okay.
in USA. So they have no plan to return and take back my business for now. But my
Okay,
son is taking interest
that's
to
good.
come
Yeah,
back in few years, and he wants to promote Nepalese products. He
lovely.
tried once in USA but the situation was not good at that time, so he was not very successful.
Mm-hmm.
But mm, uh, but uh, I, in my thinking, I don't want to close my business. If I am not there, also it should run.
Yes,
In
yeah.
my thinking, but situation is always not what
The
you
way,
think.
yeah, the way you want. Yes, yeah,
Yeah, the way you want. But
yes, yes.
still, I am working. I am now. I am 60 years old. Now I will be 60 years old. But my interest and my working ability or my mind is always like 40.
it has to be, this age is just like a number.
Yeah,
They
I
should not
cannot
come in
stop
between.
myself.
Yeah, yeah,
I
never.
cannot stop myself. If
Yeah,
something is not working, I have another mind. Oh, this might be work, So
yeah, yeah.
like this. So yeah, this is. I don't want
Great.
to stop
Great.
myself.
And you should not stop. You're doing such a
Yes,
wonderful thing. So you
yes,
should carry on forward. और आप इसमें you can add more countries because अब तो इंडिया का भी हम लोग इस पे काम करेंगे. That's also come in your
yeah.
roadmap now that you have to
Okay, yeah,
explore
yeah,
India.
yeah,
That you have to
yeah.
explore India now. All
Yes,
right. So yes, it was lovely talking to you. And last
yes,
question, in fact, since you have been in this industry for so many years, आपने बहुत challenges face किए होंगे during
yes.
your journey. So कुछ challenges आप बताओगे जिससे जो हमारी women entrepreneurs सुन रही हैं या जो कुछ आगे business start करना चाहती हैं उनको कुछ inspiration मिले, कुछ उनको learnings मिले, because आपके पास तो बहुत learnings होंगी इस समय. आपने बहुत अच्छा मतलब you have seen everything, no, every good,
Yes,
every bad, you have seen it.
yes,
तो कुछ
yes.
मुझे challenges आप बताओगे, just pick few challenges जिससे आपको लगता है कि वो people can be inspired after listening to those challenges, no?
Okay. अब मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा होता है कि चैलेंज चैलेंज नहीं होता है. अगर प्रॉब्लम भी आए तो प्रॉब्लम दो चार सॉल्यूशंस लेके आता है. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम
हम्म.
खाली प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता है मेरे हिसाब से. अब सबको ये ठीक नहीं लगता है. कहीं मैं अगर जाऊं, अगर बोलूं ये बात है, कहाँ होता है ऐसा? नहीं होता है, ऐसा बोलते हैं लोग. लेकिन
हाँ
मुझे
हाँ.
लगता है कि जब प्रॉब्लम आता है तो उसमें सॉल्यूशन भी आता है. एक प्रॉब्लम में
बिल्कुल.
दो
Yes.
दो तीन दिमाग आपका चलता है, नया आइडिया
Right.
आता है. So
Yes.
I would like to tell my viewers for taking out your precious time to listen my words. I would like to say, patience is what you should have to become a good entrepreneur. Take the risks. If you are not taking
Yes.
the risks, then you are not entrepreneur. Face the challenges. Take care of your business like a baby. Nurture and nourish them. Not all of them will be or should be successful. There will always be ups and downs, but never lose hope. Always remember you are your one hero, and do what makes you happy and
Yes.
brings you satisfaction. Always listen to yourself. You can listen to others to take ideas, but at last you listen to yourself.
Hmm.
I will always be there to help out if you have any queries. Thank you so much once again for this platform. Love you, Vivian Sign, and love you, Arpana.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I think these golden words जो आपने भी बताए हैं, अगर
Yes,
if we just think on those lines only, all these words, you
yes,
know challenges तो दिखेंगे ही नहीं कहीं, and no problem. You cannot see any problem then, because then
yeah,
when you have a ready-made solution with that problem, that
exactly,
problem goes away. वो problem
yeah,
लगती ही नहीं, because you have one,
yeah,
two, three, four, so many options to that
yes,
problem, no? So I think
yeah,
that's
yeah.
wonderful, wonderful talking to you, really, and
Thank
look
you.
forward for more collaboration with
Yes,
Milan
for
Diamonds.
sure.
And yes, 2021 will be great year, our year for that.
We will rock.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, for
Thank you.
taking out
Thank
time.
you.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you
Okay.
so much.